Good morning all. It is October the 2nd, 2019. It's 7:20. This is your morning earthquake report. These are earthquakes that happened overnight while we slept and into this morning, okay? There was a 3.9 off the coast of Oregon. They've got that at 6 miles in depth. A 4.3 Hindu Kush region, Afghanistan. That came in at 139 miles in depth. There was a 3.7 for Virgin Islands at 7.4 miles in depth. A 3.0 Spain at 4.9 miles in depth. A 3.2 Puerto Rico region. This is the Mona Passage area at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.0 off the shore of Mule, Chile at 21.7 miles in depth. A 3.1 Western Turkey at 3.1 miles in depth. A 3.4 Valparaiso, Chile at 62.1 miles in depth. A 3.0 off the shore of Mule, Chile again at 13.6 miles in depth. 3.4 off the shore of Mule, Chile at 16.7 miles in depth. 3.0 Puerto Rico region, and that came in at 3.7 miles in depth. A 4.5 near the coast of central Peru. That came in at 34.1 miles in depth. A 4.7 off the coast of Colombo, Chile. That came in at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.1 off the shore of Mule, Chile at 21.7 miles in depth. A 3.0 off the shore of Mule, Chile again at 21.7 miles in depth. A 4.2 central Peru. They've got that at 18 miles in depth. A 4.7 Salta, Argentina at 136.0 miles in depth. A 4.3 Argentina at 128.6 miles in depth. A 2.2 Oklahoma, that was 11 miles west-southwest of Pawnee at 0 miles in depth. That is the USGS and the EMSC. There was a 3.8 Mayotte region, 21.7 miles in depth. A 4.5 off the shore of Oaxaca, Mexico at 8.7 miles in depth. Then there was a 4.7 Carlsberg Ridge at 49 miles in depth. According to the EMSC, USGS has got it at 6.2 miles in depth. Now the one with Oklahoma, I was running out of room to put it in USGS and EMSC, but I'm going to try it again so you'll have at least 2 copies, okay? One in case USGS decides to remove it. Alright, that is your morning earthquake report. God bless each and every one of you. Please be safe out there, okay? You guys are just so totally awesome. Sending much love to all. 2 thumbs up. Have a great afternoon, morning. I will be back for the noon report unless something major happens, okay? Thank you so much, guys.